Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, the tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch. We do get a nice tailgate step as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight detection, as well as turn light indicated with blind spot detection. Mud flaps on the front. We get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with two tow hooks, license plate bracket, lock heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpet interior with floor mats. You do get cup holders, 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, parking brake, spotlights, lights, and auto stop, auto start, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 6.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear select, speed adjusters. It is collapsible. Got storage here, cup holders, more storage with some outlets. We do get a nice leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage down there. We have a rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, and drive modes. You got your trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate. You got 12 volt and 120. We got storage above and below. Storage right here with your park assist. And above me, we do have our features for our rear window opener. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have our normal AM, FM, but we do get Sirius XM and Bluetooth. We got our phone, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, all that jazz, Wi-Fi hotspot, apps in general. Are there any apps you downloaded like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? You got your settings, plus your navigation, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD28842, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.